In this video, you'll learn how to redeem your eBay gift card efficiently. By following these steps, you will be able to apply your gift card balance to your purchases on eBay seamlessly. Begin by opening eBay in your preferred web browser or mobile application. If you are not already signed in, locate the sign in option, which is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login credentials to access your account securely. It is essential to log into the account where you wish to redeem the gift card balance. Remember that gift cards can only be redeemed when you are logged in, so avoid proceeding as a guest user. Once logged in, navigate to the checkout page or the dedicated gift card redemption section to begin the process. Next, look for the redemption field at the checkout. This is where you will enter your gift card code. Carefully type the code exactly as it appears on the card, ensuring that you include any uppercase letters, numbers, or special characters. Be mindful that even a minor typing error can prevent the code from being accepted. If your gift card has a PIN, do not forget to enter that as well. Taking your time during this step will help avoid mistakes that could complicate the redemption process. Once you have entered the code, click on the button labeled Apply. This action will add the gift card balance to your current purchase. Following this, the total amount due will automatically adjust to reflect the gift card balance. If the total cost of your purchase exceeds the value of the gift card, you will have the option to cover the remaining balance using another payment method. It is important to review the updated total carefully before proceeding to confirm. After completing the payment, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the redemption was successful. This message will serve as proof of your transaction. Consider keeping a record of this confirmation for your future reference, as it may be useful for tracking your purchases or resolving any potential issues with the gift card. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.